Vaneshri, Vaneshri, screen is visible and audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last class we discussed about the calculation of length of the belt required for open belt drive and cross belt drive. Today, all of you write down velocity ratios of belt drives. Velocity ratios of belt drive. Velocity ratios of belt drives. All of you write down. Velocity ratio of a belt drive is defined as, write down, the velocity ratio of belt drive is defined as ratio of the speed of driven pulley to the speed of the driving pulley. Speed of the driving pulley. You can understand like this. Say this is the speed of the driving pulley and the speed of the driven pulley. That is the velocity ratio. The how much velocity the driven pulley runs from the driving pulley. The same way, that is the ratio of driven pulley to the driving pulley. Speed of the driven pulley to the driving pulley. Next, come to the point, write down. Next line, next paragraph. Let D1, lowercase letter D1 and D2, lowercase letter D1 and D2, be the diameters of be the diameters of the driving and the diameters of driving and the driven pulleys respectively. And next line, write down. Let N1 and N2 be their speeds, be their speeds in revolutions per minute. Revolutions per minute. Revolutions per minute, RPM. Next paragraph, write down. If there is no relative slip between the pulleys, and the, I repeat, if there is no relative slip between the pulleys and the portion of the belt in contact with them, comma, the speed at every point in the belt, every point in the belt is same, is same. Therefore, the circumferential speeds of the driving and driven pulleys and the linear speeds and the linear speed of the belt are equal. Hello. Really? Hello, ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೌದು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಮ್ಮ. 10:15 ಹನ್ನೊಂದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಕಳ್ಸಿ, ನಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See, all of you listen here carefully. The velocity ratio, this is very, very important for engineer. The velocity ratio is the ratio of speed of the driven pulley to the driving pulley. See, in which speed each velocity driving pulley runs, in the same speed the driven pulley also runs. That is in RPM, revolutions per minute. So for this you require the diameter of the driving pulley and the diameter of the driven pulley. That is D1 and D2. Next, the speed of driving pulley is N1 and the driven pulley is N2. Both are in revolutions per minute. And speed of the belt anywhere in the loop, remember, the anywhere in the loop is same, remain constant. That's very, very important. Whether on the driving pulley, whether on the driven pulley, the speed of the belt remains constant or the same. For that reason, all of you write down, therefore, linear speed of the belt, keep this sentence in the square bracket, linear speed of the belt.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
ಸರ್, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕಾಯ್ತಿರ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು. Hello. 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 ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಳು. ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಗ ಆಗು. Write down. Therefore, the linear speed of the belt. Keep this sentence in the square bracket. Equal to in square bracket, write down circumferential speed of the driving pulley. Keep this sentence in the square bracket. Equal to circumferential speed of the driven pulley. Keep this equation in the square bracket. Circumferential speed means y into d1 into n1. Circumferential speed pi into d1 into n1 equal to pi into d2 into n2. Therefore, pi get cancelled. Therefore, d1 n1 equal to d2 n2. Below that, write down, that is velocity ratio equal to cross multiplication n2 by n1 equal to d1 by d2. Why this derivation is required? You understand in the later classes. This is very much required for problem. Therefore, velocity ratio equal to n2 by n1 equal to d1 by d2. Keep this equation in the rectangular block. Keep this equation in the rectangular block. Below that, write down velocity ratio equal to RPM of the RPM, regulations per minute of the driven pulley, divided by same thing, n2 by n1 equal to d1 by d2. It is the long form. RPM of the driven pulley divided by RPM of the driving pulley equal to diameter of driving pulley divided by diameter of driven pulley. Keep the equation in block. Keep the equation in a block. Velocity ratio equal to RPM of driven pulley divided by RPM of driving pulley equal to diameter of driving pulley divided by diameter of driven pulley. Keep the complete equations in the rectangular block. Please write down a question. Write down a question. Derive an expression. Derive an expression for velocity ratios of belt drives. Velocity ratios of belt drives. For this, write the first diagram. All of you have this diagram. First diagram. See, N1, T1. So here you have shown write this diagram better. This diagram. Derivation for length of the belt diagram. For derivation for velocity ratios, show only diameter T1, speed N1. Here diameter D2, speed N2. and show the arrow mark here and write velocity show the arrow mark velocity of driving pulley. Show the arrow mark from right to left and show the velocity of driven pulley. In bracket write down speed. There also write down speed. We show the diameter D1 and D2 and speed N1 and N2 and velocity of belt at slack side and the tight side. I repeat the question. Derive an expression for velocity ratios of belt drives. Next, you write down tensions in belt drive. Tensions in belt drive, put a colon. Ratios of tensions. Ratios of tensions. Write down the explanation. The driving pulley drives the driven pulley. Driving pulley drives the driven pulley. Driving pulley drives the driven pulley only if one side of the belt the driving pulley drives the driven pulley only if one side of the belt has higher tension than the other side. That is higher tension in the tight side of the belt. Higher tension in the tight side of the belt and the lower tension on the slack side of the belt. Lower tension on the slack side of the belt. Next line, write on. Let uppercase letter T1 higher tension on the tight side. Write down let T1 higher tension on the tight side. Next line, write down T2 lower tension on the slack side. Lower tension on the slack side. All of you write a circle and mention this is driven pulley. So the belt like this. draw a horizontal line from point C to this point, show the arrow mark. This is resultant force. Show the arrow mark like this, tangent to the circle. Show the arrow mark in upward direction. This is T, uppercase letter T. And show the tangent like this, mention mu r. Result coefficient of force multiplied by resultant force, mu r. And show the arrow mark downward direction, mention T plus delta T. T plus delta T. And here this is T. Write down here belt, this is tight side, and this is slack side. Mention this is T1 and this is T2. The arrow mark in the above direction, mention this is the slack tension. The arrow mark in the downward direction, mention this is the tight tension. This is T and this is T plus delta T. Next, you write down modified or enlarged diagram. Write down like this. C. Draw two angled lines. Mention this is the delta T, delta theta. Mention this is a point A and B, which you have here. The same thing here. A, B. Center, show the arrow mark. Mention this is R. And this is mu into R. This line point from point B, mention T plus delta T. One more vector diagram. Show the arrow mark like this. This is the T, tension T on slack side. Resultant coefficient of friction with resultant force mu R in vertical direction. Join this point to this vector R. Angle delta theta. This is T plus delta T. T plus delta T. Delta T. Write down a question. Write down a question. The explanation for this is, this is the slack side, this is the tight side. As the belt moves in the clockwise direction, the tension exerts on the pulley on slack side and the tight side. By derivation using vector analysis, this is the tight side and this is the slack side. Slack side, and this is tight side. The tension on the tight side is called tight tension. Tension on the slack side is called slack tension. So these three diagrams are very much essential for the examination. For this question, write down the question. Explain briefly with neat sketch. Ratios of tensions in belt drive. Ratios of tensions in belt drive. Many question paper, this question observed. Many question paper, you have this question in the examination. Explain briefly with neat sketch ratios of tensions in belt drive. So for that, write the driven pulley diagram and the vector analysis of the force analysis, that is tension at slack side, tension at the tight side, T plus delta T, T or mu is the below the trigon. Let mu, write down mu, coefficient of friction, and uppercase letter, resultant force. And you know the remaining all the values. T1 is the tension on tight side. T2 is the tension on slack side. If you need, write down T1 tension on tight side. Next line, write down T2 tension on slack side. Theta, next line, write down theta, contact angle. Contact angle. For this question, write three diagrams. One is the big diagram, that is the driven pulley. And
excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Sir, some people are trying to join, sir.
Let them join. In the screen, it is not showing anybody. Nobody is there. Okay, for this question, write the driven pulley diagram, vector analysis diagram shown in figure B and C. Figure B and C. Usually this question appears in the examination for 5 marks. Many question paper, you have this question. Next, come to the point, write down a problem. You have the same type of problem in the examination for calculation of length of the belt in case of open belt drive and length of the belt in cross belt drive, and speed of the driver pulley, speed of the driven pulley, and the diameter of the driving and the driven pulley. Only 4 categories of problem you have in the examination. Write down problem number 1. Power is to be transmitted. Power is to be transmitted from a shaft to an another, from a shaft to an another by means of a belt drive. By means of a belt drive. Full stop. The diameter of the larger pulley is 600 millimeter. Diameter of the larger pulley is 600 millimeter, and that of the smaller pulley is 300 millimeter. Diameter of the smaller pulley is 300 millimeter. The distance between the centers of the two pulleys, distance between the centers of the two pulleys is 3 meter. 3 meter. Full stop. If the axis AXES if the axis of the two shafts are in the same plane and parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Full stop. Find the length of the belt. Find the length of the belt for. Find the length of the belt for. Next line, write down subdivision number 1. Open belt drive. Open belt drive. And next line, write down subdivision number 2. Crossed belt drive. Crossed belt drive. Full stop. All of you open your calculator. Otherwise, you forgot to use the calculator. All of you open your calculator. Take it from your bag. Switch on the calculator. Take it outside your calculator from your bag. Switch on. Okay. Now, write down solution, put a colon and underline that. Say in the problem itself, you have the diameter of the larger pulley. For that, write down radius of larger pulley required for the calculation R1 equal to 600 by 2 equal to 300 millimeter. Radius of larger pulley R1 equal to 600 divided by 2. You have diameter, divide the diameter by 2, you will get radius. For that reason, 300 millimeter. Next, calculate the radius of smaller pulley R2 equal to 300 by 2. You have smaller pulley, diameter 300 millimeter divided by 2. That will give you 150 millimeter. Next line, write down distance between. Next line, write down distance between axis of the driving. Axis of the driving and driven shaft. Driven shafts X. Driven shafts X. You need that. All of you observe here. This is R1. This is R1. This is R2. And 600 divided by 2, 300 divided by 2. And the distance between the centers of is X. All of you observe here. If you need, write one bigger circle and write one smaller circle. Join with the axis shown like this and mention this is R1 and this is R2 and this is X. X equal to 3 meters. So in the problem, always you have to use millimeter, not meter. Convert meter into millimeter. 3 meter, the distance between the two pulleys, center of pulleys, that is 3000 millimeter. 3000 millimeter. So these are the Datas available in the problem. Next line, write down length of the belt in open belt drive system. Length of the belt in open belt drive system. Underline that. The equation, already you derived the equation for length of the belt in case of open belt drive. L equal to pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by X plus 2X. Substitute the values of R1, R2, X in the equation. Pi into 300 plus 150 plus 300 minus 150 whole square divided by 3000 plus 2 into 3000. Into 3000. Calculate the length of the belt in case of open belt drive in your calculator. Write down the values. Write down the values. 7421.4 millimeter equal to, put a equal sign here, equal to 7.421 meters. 7.421 meters. Next line, write down length of the belt in cross belt system. Crossed belt drive system. Underline that. Length of the belt in case of, write down length of the belt in cross belt drive system. Underline that. Only difference in open belt to cross belt. Here you have R1 minus R2 whole square. Here you have R1 plus R2 whole square. Lakshmi, only here you have negative sign, here you have positive sign. L equal to pi into R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 whole square divided by X plus 2X. 2X. Substitute the values of R1, R2, X in the equation. Pi into 300 plus 150 plus 300 plus 150 whole square divided by 3000 plus 2 into 3000. Calculate the length of the belt in case of cross belt drive system. You have the values 7481.4 millimeter equal to 7.481 meters. .481 meters. Once again, say in the problem you have diameter of larger pulley, diameter of smaller pulley, distance between the two pulleys, that's the center distance 3 meter, and calculate the radius of the bigger diameter of the pulley, smaller diameter of the pulley. The distance is 3 meters. Convert this into 3000. Substitute the values in the equation of open belt drive. You will get 7.421 meters length of the belt in open belt drive. In cross belt drive, 7.481 meters of the belt required for in case of cross belt drive. You have the same type of problem in the examination. There may be change in the values of larger pulley and smaller pulley. See, I have 4 or 5 question papers. Here, one question paper you have 1000 millimeter, another question paper you have smaller pulley 400 millimeter, and the distance between the two pulleys is in some question paper 4 meter or 5 meter. So you have to change the diameter into radius, and the distance is in meters. Change that into millimeter. So if you substitute the values here and calculate the length of the belt in open belt drive and cross belt drive, you will get 5 marks. If there is a little change in the values of length of the belt in open belt drive and the cross belt drive, say it little bit higher the cross belt drive than the open belt drive. If you follow the procedure, you will get full marks. That's the main thing. Next, you write down problem number 2. An engine is driving a generator. An engine is driving a generator by means of a belt. An engine driving a generator by means of a belt, full stop. The pulley on the driving shaft has a diameter. Please write it fast. All of you, please write it fast. The pulley on the driving shaft has a diameter of 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter and runs at 276 RPM. Runs at 276 RPM. Please, all of you, write it fast. If the radius of the pulley on the generator is 15 centimeter, if the radius of the pulley on the generator is 15 centimeter, find its speed in RPM. Find its RPM. Find its RPM. Solution. Underline that, put a colon. Engine driving at the speed of 276 RPM. Diameter, shaft has a diameter. All of you, please note down. I have not mentioned the pulley, the diameter of the shaft. Directly, they are running the shaft. The diameter of the shaft is nothing but diameter D1, 55 centimeter. And running at the speed of N1 equal to 276 RPM. This is engine, this is generator. Driven. Engine is driver and generator is driven. D2 equal to 2R2. You know that diameter divided by 2, that will give you the radius. D2 equal to DR2. So you have R2 equal to, below the tractor, R2 equal to 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. For that reason, D2 equal to 2 into 15, 30 centimeter. You have to calculate speed of the driven N2. N2 equal to question mark. N2 equal to question mark. Below that write down velocity ratio equal to N2 by N1 equal to D1 by D2. N2 by N1 equal to D1 by D2. Therefore, you need the N2. For that reason, N2 equal to N1 D1 divided by D2. Or to write down like this, N1 N2 multiplied by N1. D1 D2 divided by D1 divided by D2 multiplied by N1. You know the D1, 55 centimeter. You know the N1, 30 centimeter. You know the D2, 30 centimeter. And you know the RPM, N1, 276 RPM. Therefore, calculate the N2, that is 506 RPM. 506 RPM. Only this much. Direct substitution. Examination, you may have the same type or a simple problem, not difficult problem, that not include any integration, differentiation, calculus like that. Direct substitution, read the problem twice or thrice and substitute the values. Same type of problem. In some question papers, you have speed N1 and D1, D2, calculate N2. That's the same procedure. Some problem you have D1, D2 and you have N1, calculate the N2. The same. Using the relation, velocity ratio relationship, suppose you have N1, N2 and D2, calculate D1 is possible. Suppose you have N2, N1, D1 you can calculate D2. The simple procedure. So if you have different answers, don't worry. Don't worry. And if you follow the procedure, if you write the equation N12 by N1 equal to D1 by D2, you will get full marks. So this completes the belt drive. This completes belt drive. Next class I will start gear drive. Now I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class. Now please all of you enter your name and USN in the chat box and answer roll call. Syed,
Present, sir.
Vishwas,
Present, sir.
Prajna,
Present, sir.
Vinayashri,
Present, sir.
Ruchita,
Present, sir.
Shreya,
Present, sir.
Vanyashri,
Present, sir.
Kushal KN,
Yes, sir.
Krupa,
Present, sir.
Vachana Belgod,
Present, sir.
Rukmini S,
Present, sir.
Pooja R,
Present, sir.
Suhas DB,
Present, sir.
Suchitra, Vaishnavi,
Present, sir.
Sufyan,
Present, sir.
Vandana,
Present, sir.
Sanjana,
Present, sir.
Sakshi,
Present, sir.
Manya SH,
Present, sir.
Kavya D,
Present, sir.
Yatindra,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Vibha,
Present, sir.
Neha,
Present, sir.
Tanmay,
Present, sir.
Mohammed Sahil,
Present, sir.
Swati HR,
Present, sir.
Pratik CR,
Present, sir.
Banushri,
Present, sir.
Sanjana KJ,
Present, sir.
Samartyan,
Present, sir.
Varshita,
Present, sir.
Deepti, Yashaswini,
Present, sir.
Jason,
Present, sir.
Sandeep,
Present, sir.
Vijendran,
Yes, sir.
Junaid,
Present, sir.
Trijan, Arjun,
Present, sir.
Manikya,
Present, sir.
Sriom,
Present, sir.
Vinit,
Yes, sir.
Banushri,
Sir, attendance, sir. Srijan.
Banushri,
Sir. Sir, attendance.
Banushri Sarji, Zikriya,
Sir,
Present, sir.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ
sorry, Shivansh,
Present, sir.
Amrut,
Present, sir.
Junaid,
Amrita, sir.
Present, sir.
Amrita, okay. Vinayaka S,
Present, sir.
Bhaganagowda,
Present, sir.
Mohammed Sahil, Kushi MA,
Present, sir.
Mushtaq,
Sir, present.
Kusha, okay, Siri KS,
Present, sir.
Anushri,
Present, sir.
Shreya Bharadwaj,
Present, sir.
Varsha,
Present, sir.
Deepti,
Present, sir.
Trijan,
Present, sir. Present,
Trijan.
sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Please tell me your name.
Sir, Dhanyata.
Anybody else? Danya. Okay.
Dhanyata.
Next. Danyata. Okay. Next. Anybody else? Now I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Okay, Jason.
Bye, sir.
Bye.